right, we're going to quick do some sounds on these flashcards that I know we've gone over before. If you don't remember all of them, it's okay. Don't panic. That's why we're having a review. So here we go. SPH. Remember your PH says F. This says SF, SF, like sphere. QU. This is a different one. A lot of people want to say qua, 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 but that's wrong. It's K, 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 K. Watch my throat. Watch my mouth. My mouth hardly moves. K, SCR, three-letter blend, says skrr, skrr, as in screw. KN, sleepy digraph. K's asleep. They say as in night. ALL, L's bonk. A on the ed, making think he's an O. It says all, as in ball. Three-letter blend. Spur, as in spring. Digraph blend. Thr, as in three. Now we're getting to the blends. Tw, as in twin. Three-letter blend. Str, as in string. SPL, spol, as in splash. SQU, squ, as in square. WH, he's like a W, but he's not voiced. Digraph TH, voiced is ooh. All right, hang on just a minute. I'm going to pause you and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. All right, here we go. WR, the W's quiet. It says rrr. Digraph SH, sh, as in shamrock. Digraph PH, f, as in dolphin. ACE, ace, as in face. Ing, as in ring. Ice, as in ice. Or rice, we did that earlier, didn't we? Digraph CH, ch, as in chili. Blend, grr, as in green. Fur, as in frown. Crr, as in crayon. Jur, as in drum. Dur, as in drum. Sk, as in scales. Sw, I dropped that one. Sw, as in sweet. Slol, as in slither. Sk, as in skate. St, as in star. Pull, as in plain. Sm, as in smile. Full, as in fly. Cool, as in clock. Prr, as in pretzel. Sp, as in spot. Bull, as in blue. Sn, as in snail. Brr, as in brown. Gl, as in glue. And tr, as in trace. Okay, that was your blends and digraphs and some just chunks, word chunks that we've learned. Stack all my cards up. So tomorrow, I'm going to flashcard them to you, but I'm not going to say the picture that goes with them. We're just going to say the sounds. We're going through them pretty quick. So be ready for that Friday, and I'll see you tomorrow when we do this again.